Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about top 3 amazing tricks in Notepad. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. And for my latest and update videos, press on the bell icon also. Now let us see the concept. The top 3 amazing tricks in Notepad. The first trick is how to convert a normal text message into the computer voice message. That means, so whatever you type, that type text will convert into the computer voice message. How it is, let us see. First of all, we have to open the Notepad. Okay, we know that how to open the Notepad means here in search bar we have to type Notepad and we have to click here. The Notepad will be opened. After opening the Notepad, observe here we have to type this code. Okay, if you want you can note this code and you can try. Okay, first of all we have to open the Notepad and we have to type this code in the Notepad. Okay, right. After typing this code in Notepad, we have to save this file. Save as. We have to save this file with .vbs extension. That means we have to give one name with .vbs. VBS means Visual Basic extension. Okay, for example here I am giving the file name is raju.vbs. we have to save. See here, we have to save, we have to give the file name, after the dot, after that vbs we have to give. Okay, right. So now I am saving this file on desktop. Okay, and I am clicking on save. Right, you observe here, here is the file, whatever the file we have given Raju. So that file is here. See, Raju, it is saved on the desktop. Okay, right. So what I am doing here is, now double click here on the file. We have to give the double click. Whenever we give the double click, automatically speak to me dialog box will appear, and here we have to type the message. That message we want to convert into the computer voice message. In this box we have to type. See here, I am typing my name is Ravi. Okay, after typing the text in this box, just click on OK. Whenever I click on OK, automatically the computer voice message will come. Okay, see here, now I am clicking on OK.
My name is Ravi.
Right. For example, again I am double clicking here. So now I am giving, I am from Hyderabad. See here, I am from Hyderabad. Once again I am giving, see here, I am from Hyderabad. Whenever I click on OK, so this text message is converting into the computer voice message. See here,
I am from Hyderabad.
okay. This is about the first trick. Right. The second trick is how to create a multiple folders with one click with Notepad. How to create multiple folders in Notepad with one click. That means with one click we can create the multiple folders. How it means, see here. For that also we have to open the Notepad. Here I am taking the new file. See here. Here I am typing like this. See here, md space. How many folders we want to create? For example, I want to create 4 folders. Means here we have to give the md means make directory. This is the command. md means make directory. That is nothing but folder. md space, the first folder name is Ravi and the second folder name is Rahul, and the third folder name is Ramya, and the fourth folder name is Raj. Okay, and save this file. Okay, and save this file. I am saving this file with .bat. The extension is .bat. We have to give. See here I am giving here, for example, Sonu. The file name is Sonu.bat. we have to give. Observe here, in this way we have to save this file, sonu.bat. Okay, and I'm saving this file on desktop. Click on save. Okay, right. Now you observe here, you see here this is the file. You observe here, Sonu, right? So whenever you click here, one click, automatically you observe carefully, 4 folders will be displayed on the desktop. See here, double clicking here, see here, automatically 4 folders. See here, see these 4 folders, whatever the names we have given, Ravi, Raj, Ramya, Rahul, automatically 4 folders, that means multiple folders we have created with only one click on this Sonu. Okay, so this is about the second trick. Then what about the third one? Okay, third one is nothing but, see here, for this one also I am taking the new Notepad file. Suppose if we want to use Notepad as a diary, suppose here I'm typing something, okay, like this, hi, hello, see here, hi, hello, viewers, okay, something I have typed and I'm saving this file, okay, on the desktop, with I'm giving the name as, for example, Umesh. Okay, I'm giving the name as Umesh. On the desktop I am saving save. Okay, right. See here it is saved. See here, Umesh. So whenever I open, for example, today I have created this file. Suppose after some days I have opened this file. Here no time and date is displaying. Okay. For example, whenever I'm doing some work in the Notepad, it has to display on which date at which time I have did this work. So I want every time whatever I'm doing in Notepad, at that time it has to display the time I take. Okay, right. So for that, a small command we have to give. See here, dot, and in capital letters only, log, log. We have to give log, and again we have to save. Okay, so close this one. See here, see whenever you open, so automatically it displays the time, that means at what time you have did this hi hello viewers. See 5:53 p.m. okay, so 9th month 2nd day 2020. For example, now I am giving another one. For example, okay, so now I am typing something like that. Okay, so again I am clicking on save. I am closing this file. After some days, now I am opening this file. Okay, Umesh, see 5:54 p.m. okay, I have did this work on this date, 9th month 2nd day 2020. So that means automatically if we give this command dot log should be in capital letters. If we give this now, so automatically whatever you do in Notepad, at what time, at which date you have did, all this time and date automatically will be displayed in your file. Okay, so this is about the third trick. Okay, I hope you understand the top three amazing tricks clearly. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.